Hey everyone, so I haven't uploaded a video on this channel for quite some time. The reason I was building two SaaS softwares that I'm gonna release early next year, so please stay tuned. In this video, I'll be talking about PromptUp. This is a prompt enhancement tool I created. The reason I created it is because it's been too long since ChatGPT came out, but a lot of people are still unaware of how to prompt LLMs properly, even though there are multiple other tools as well. But people still kind of miss the mark and end up using the library of prompts, which might not give them the tailored result that they're looking for. So I'll quickly go ahead and demonstrate how PromptUp can enhance their workflow and give them the prompts they need. So I'll quickly go ahead and log into PromptUp and show you how exactly it works. So simply go ahead and enter your details. And there's one thing, it's completely free today, forever. Once you log in, you'll see that you get some credits. I earned some credits as well. So basically you get 30 free credits every month, and then there are some bonus credits that you can earn. How? I'll cover later in this video. So basically you can go to the dashboard and put any lazy or bad prompt that you think people might put in this section. Let's say I want to talk about write a story. Why not? And write a children's story. Now let's go ahead and enhance the prompt. Now what it is doing, it is analyzing the initial prompt and it is generating some questions around the prompt so that it can tailor the enhanced prompt for us. What exactly we are going to do, what exactly are we looking forward to create and whatnot. What age group of children are you targeting this story? So there can be multiple age groups. So it is a relevant question, I would say. Let's say 7 to 10 years. Now the next question is what themes and lesson. Let's say aliens. Do you have any specific characters or setting in mind? Space travel character. Let's say Scooby-Doo. What tone or style do you envision for the story? Playful, educational, adventurous? I think I should be including all these three. So I'll just copy. Next, how long? As long as it needs to be. Next, are there any culture or contextual element that should be included in the story? Let's say something about Vikings. Is there a particular structure or format you want to, let's say narrative, and let it generate the enhanced prompt from the question it generated for us. And now we have the enhanced prompt. It took around a few seconds, and now we have an entire enhanced prompt. Now we have a role. Now we have the context. We have the background and context, detailed instruction, desired outcome, additional consideration, and let's copy this and put it in an LLM. One thing to note is it's gonna work out differently on different models, different LLMs. Even if you just go ahead and prompt the same prompt in the same LLM twice, same model, it might give you a different answer altogether. Let's enter this and let's go to ChatGPT and enter, and let's see what it comes up with. So now it is generating the Viking Voyager and the alien mystery. It has chapters and it is like Estrid from, I think, How to Train Your Dragon. Yeah, Norwegian countryside, Estrid, Fearless Girl, Zog. Pause, read if you think it is good or not. Let's go to the Claude and let's see this one. Eric Thunder, Iceland, and yeah. Yeah, so I think it generated a way longer story. It does not have chapters, but I think it is flowing pretty flawlessly. So this is how you can utilize this to generate different things. Let's see one more use case. Let's say I want to start Business. Start a side hustle. Start an online side hustle. Let's see what does it come up with. Let it analyze the initial lazy prompt that we have and ask us question, and then let's see what does it come up with. Side hustle, e-commerce, freelancing, content creation. I think I can do freelancing. I have ChatGPT. How much time you can realistic? 4 hours a day, because it's a side hustle. I can invest 20 in the ChatGPT Pro subscription. Let's be let's give it a target that I'm looking forward to earn $1,000 a month from the side hustle. Who's your target market audience in this product or service you plan to offer? I have no clue. What challenge do you anticipate facing? I am very less skilled. Okay, so it is processing. I'll just go ahead and fix this, that it shouldn't be showing you the last question, rather than it should show you the processing circle altogether. Now let's go ahead and copy this, go to Claude, put this, enter, go to ChatGPT, refresh, enter. Let's see. So it's telling me to do content creation and writing, blogging, copywriting, social media. Why? To find a freelancing niche where you can leverage your strength and where ChatGPT can provide value. So it is only suggesting me things that ChatGPT can help out, because I mentioned I do not have any skills. Some plausible niches: content creation and writing, then chatbot development and AI solutions, AI powered customer support, scripted chatbot conversations, data and research services, product service reviews, generate in-depth review and product description for online sellers using ChatGPT. It's a good one. Language service, proofreading and editing using ChatGPT, translation services using ChatGPT, or being an online tutor. So it's giving me all good niches that I can go with, no skills and only ChatGPT. Okay, research potential target markets. Okay, it's telling me to join Upwork or Fiverr or Freelancer. Then communities. Then target sellers on a platform like Shopify, Etsy. Okay, niche social media groups, local small businesses. Then step 3 is develop your portfolio. How? Create sample work, document your process the way I'm doing it at the moment, building a professional website, and provide testimony. How would I go ahead and build a website? Use platform like Wix, WordPress, or even a LinkedIn profile to showcase your work. So it is just telling me to go free. Since I mentioned I can only spend $20 for ChatGPT subscription. Promote your service, freelance platform, social media, direct outreach, then upgrade your skills. Stay updated on AI trend, client feedback, and upskilling. Then track your progress as you work toward your goal of $1,000 a month. Estimate pricing, like you might charge $50 to $100 per blog post or content package. With 10 clients per month, you will easily hit $1,000. Set milestone. So basically it is giving me a complete roadmap of how I can start a freelancing journey, rather than if I go ahead and put this, I want to start $1,000 per month side hustle in ChatGPT alone, I would just get some random stuff from ChatGPT. But at the moment, since we have the enhanced prompt, you can see the output is outstanding. Now let's see the Claude's output as well. So it is telling me, let's identify promising freelancing niches where ChatGPT can give you a significant advantage. So basically it should be in the background and context. instruction, identify a freelancing niche based on interest, skill, and ChatGPT capabilities. So it is giving the entire roadmap in the prompt altogether that you can just go ahead and fill in and just start working on it. You can create multiple prompts using prompt up. Since it's talking about this, you can talk about these things like one by one. How to start content writing and strategy using ChatGPT should be your next prompt in here. Just come here and enter what this here, and it'll just start generating the relevant questions for you, and you can just go ahead and generate the enhanced prompt and take the next step of your journey altogether. So this is all about what PromptUp can do for you for completely free. As I mentioned, you get 30 monthly credits free of charge, and then you can earn unlimited credits. How? You go to settings, and by the way, you can see all your history inside the history tab here. And in the settings, you can see your account settings like your credits, and this is where you can earn the credits. Like you subscribe to the newsletter, you get 10 monthly credits. You follow me on LinkedIn, you get 10 monthly credits. And this is what gives you the unlimited one-time credits, like basically 20 per successful joining. You refer your friends, you give them this link, they sign up using your link, they get 20 bonus credits, and you also get 20 bonus credits. So this is how you can keep on generating free credits for you if you think 30 credits are not going to work out for you. So in that case, you can go ahead and earn a bonus credits. So this is it for PromptUp. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestion that I should go ahead and implement in this app, you can just simply go to follow. It'll go ahead and open my LinkedIn. Since you'll be connected to me on LinkedIn, you can message me your suggestion, or maybe I'll just go ahead and put a feedback form somewhere where you can drop your suggestions and your feedback. I'll be more than happy to implement those changes for you. So thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.